To add a portfolio in Webflow, start by searching for Webflow in your web browser and clicking on the webflow.com option. If you're not already logged in, click the Login button and enter your email and account information to access your account. Once logged in, click the Open Designer button, which will take you to a new page. While that's loading, you can create a portfolio widget by searching for outside.com in your web browser and creating an account if you don't already have one. You can use the same login information as your Webflow account. After creating an account, click Add App and search for Portfolio. Choose a template, save the widget, and you'll receive a code to embed it. To add the widget to your Webflow page, click the plus sign. Select Code Embed from the Advanced tab. Drag it onto the page, and enter the necessary information. After publishing, the portfolio will appear as it did in outside.com.